welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna talk about the Nothing Ear A earbuds. I've been using these earbuds for a few weeks now and I want to share my experience. The Nothing Ear A has very nice looking packaging. It's not special, but it looks and feels premium. Inside the box you'll get the earbuds itself, a short USB charging cable, and small and large ear tips. And the medium ear tips are pre-installed. The case is small and transparent, which looks really cool and modern. The hinge feels sturdy and reliable and gives a satisfying snap when you close the case. The charging case has a USB-C port for charging, which is really nice because that's the standard for nowadays. Inside the case there's also a small little button which can be used for Bluetooth pairing. Let's talk about the design and the build quality of the Nothing Ear A's. The transparent design gives them a new, modern and futuristic look. The earbuds themselves are quite lightweight and really comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. The ear tips fit snug and create a good seal, which is crucial for both sound quality and noise isolation. The build quality is actually quite impressive. They feel sturdy despite their lightweight design. However, I'm a bit concerned about how the design will hold up over time. The transparent design, while cool, is also prone to scratching. So I'll be keeping an eye out for how durable these earbuds are, and the case especially. I've been using them daily and mine held up really well with minimal signs of wear and tear. But only time will tell. Now into the most important part, sound quality. The sound is very rich and the soundstage, in my opinion, is really good. However, the bass out of the box is really overpowering, so I changed it immediately. I lowered the bass boost level from 5 to 1, which helped a lot. On level 1 there's still a lot of bass, but right now it's punchy and pleasant to listen to. Another thing that I really liked about the sound is the fact that voices and singers sound really good through these earbuds. And I'm no sound expert at all, but I've used the Sony WH-1000 Mark III for a few years now, and I prefer the sound from these earbuds. Besides music, I listen to a lot of podcasts, and they sound great on these earbuds. As I said earlier, voices just sound really clear. These earbuds are accompanied by the Nothing X app. This app offers a few settings you can customize to your liking. You can change the level of noise cancelling, however I just leave it at the max setting. And another thing that I've noticed is that transparency mode on these earbuds just suck. They don't do anything at all. It's just the same to me as turning off the noise cancelling in the app. I've had the equalizer set on balanced with a bass boost level of level 1. This was the sound I preferred the most. This app has also a handy feature to locate the earbuds with a high-pitched sound if you ever misplace them. Overall, the app is really user-friendly and adds quite a bit of value to the earbuds. Another part that I really love about this app is that you don't need an account. Now, let's do a mic test on the Nothing Ear A's. So the mic quality of the Nothing Ear A isn't great. It definitely works and will suffice for a voice chat or a voice call or just calling on your phone. However, if you want the best mic quality on a phone, you will definitely need some earbuds with a wire. This is the audio quality of the microphone that you can expect on the Nothing Ear A. I was in a quiet room and as you can hear, my voice was okay. Another test that we're gonna do is a test to check if there is any sound leak. It's something that I've read on Reddit, however, I have seen no tests about it, so I'll just test it for you guys right now. This helps to determine how much of the sound leaks outside of the earbuds. This helps to determine the sound leakage of the earbuds when they are in use, which can be very important if you're in a quiet space like a library or an office. So right now I've changed the microphone so I can hold it next to the earbuds which are inside of my ear right now, but right now the music is paused because the other one is still in my hand. I'm going to play some moderate music and you'll hear me switch to the music track and the earbuds side by side so you can determine if you hear the music at all. Eventually I will hold the microphone close to my ears so you can hear if there is any sound leak at all. As you can hear, there is a minimal sound leakage, which is great for privacy and also to not disturb anyone around you. Battery life is another important aspect, and the Nothing Ear A does not disappoint. On a full charge, the Nothing earbuds last around 4 to 5 hours with noise cancelling on in my case. And the charging case gives you an additional 24 hours. The earbuds also support fast charging, so when they are empty, a 10-minute charge should give them around 30 minutes of playback. So after using the Nothing Ear A earbuds for a few weeks now, what's my final verdict? I'm genuinely impressed. They offer great sound quality, a sleek design, and useful features for a competitive price. Whether you're a music lover or a frequent traveler, or just someone who needs a reliable pair of earbuds, the Nothing Ear A is a solid choice. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions about the earbuds, leave them down in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. And I wish you all a very good day. Bye bye.